Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears squishy. To achieve that perfect soft texture, you'll want to adjust your gelatin to liquid ratio. Too much gelatin makes them firm, while less creates a softer bite. Also, ensure your mixture is properly hydrated and cooked gently. This prevents a tough, rubbery consistency, giving you delightful, squishy treats every time. The right ingredients are essential for squishy gummy bears. Start with a good quality gelatin, as it forms the base of your texture. Adding corn syrup is a game changer. It helps prevent sugar crystallization and contributes to that desirable chewiness. A small amount of citric acid not only brightens the flavor, but also subtly affects the gelatin's structure, making your gummies even more tender. The process itself is key to squishy success. First, bloom your gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. This ensures it dissolves smoothly. Next, gently heat your mixture, ideally to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, but never let it boil, as high heat can degrade the gelatin. Finally, pour the warm liquid into your molds and chill them for at least 2 hours until fully set. To keep your gummy bears wonderfully squishy, proper storage is vital. Always store them in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight or any high humidity, which can cause them to melt or become sticky. If you want them to last even longer, you can refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks, maintaining their delightful texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.